Here's our 2011 Cadillac Cts-v Coupe. This car is being sold with a salvage title. It came to us from Nebraska. All parts were replaced using GM factory parts, nothing aftermarket, not one bit of aftermarket parts on this car. The damage was mainly this part of the car here. Both front fenders were replaced. The hood was replaced. You can see it's spotless here. That's been replaced new. The bumper cover's been replaced, as well as the front cooling and then headlights. There is no damage from doors back. You can see we'll start here on this wheel. That wheel there looks brand new, no curb rash whatsoever. Obviously nothing clean there. This here fender was painted, this door was not, so you can see the difference in the color. There is none. It matches absolutely perfect. There's no orange peel, or they look exactly symmetrical. No damage here whatsoever on the doors. Not a scratch. In the door jamb, there's absolutely nothing. See down in there, that's all just factory new. I do have floor mats. We have them out drying right now. We just shampooed them. So the floor mats are not going to be in this video, but they will be included with the car. Does have a moonroof. Rear quarter panel, absolutely no damage whatsoever back here. I can't see a single scratch mark or scuff anywhere on that quarter. For this rim here, you can see couple little bits of scratches right there, not very long at all. I don't know if you can pick that up in the video or not. Other words, that rim looks a little fine. A few scuffs right there, nothing major, no gouges. Trunk, we've got a front license plate bracket, and of course the cargo net and the air pump. I do have this piece here, but again, we have that out for the cleaning, and I wanted to show you exactly what you'll be getting. So we do have that access cover that covers that up. This here, it does have backup camera. Truck shunt's nice. I can't see any scratches or marks on the trunk anywhere. On the rear bumper cover is probably the worst part of the entire car, and it's not very bad. You can see there's a little bit of a ripple there. I don't know if somebody backed up into something, but just a little bit of a paint crack. Not a big deal. Looking underneath the rear of the car, you can see the tires. Very good tread depth there left on both sides. Guessing the tread depth is about 56, it's about 60%. This rim here is probably the worst. You can see there's some kind of marks. That's the worst of it there, and right there. A little bit of curb rash there on that wheel. This side of the car, you don't see any marks whatsoever. I can see around the door handle here, you can see just a few little scratch marks there, just from people sticking their hand in the door. And that rim there, looks a little bit of curb rash right there. That's it. Underneath the hood, everything's fine. See, pop off this cover. See, there's the VIN number, so this is the car. See, there's no damage to the strut tower. That's all factory and new. Clamp that back down. This one here as well, a little dirty under there, but the car does have about 20,000 miles on it. You can see down in the coolers down there, everything looks all nice and new. None of that's used. Right down in there is the cooling fans. There's really not much you can see down there. Hood shuts nice. I'll show you underneath here. You can see up in the wheel well, this here was the side where most of the damage had come from. Everything's nice and clean up there. Underneath this side, and then the front tires, you can see a very good tread depth there on the front tires yet. And then underneath the front of the car here, it's all nice and clean there. Then on the inside, let's see here, it looks like somebody's been kind of dragging their foot in and out of the car. There's just a little paint scuff there in the inside of the door jamb. See, that's from somebody bringing their foot up and over. We'll go ahead and start the car for you. Absolutely no lights on that shouldn't be on. That's the seat belt telling me to buckle up, which I will in just a moment here. There is currently 20,449 miles on the car. Of course, you know, it does have the navigation, goes up and down. Of course, your heated seats. Electronic parking brake, cup holder. Then in here, we only have one key, so just one key for the car. Glove box. We do not have an owner's manual. Back seat area. This all looks nice and clean. The roof, you can see right up here you have your home link, and of course your moonroof controls. Makes it go up and down just fine. Then your shade, if you want to shut that. Just to give us a little more light, we'll go ahead and open that up. I can tell you here, this window sticker is up there from Huber Automotive. It shows that the next oil change due is at 25,165 miles. Go ahead and turn the heat off. It's your radio control functions here, your cruise control functions here, memory seats, your electronic door locks. Of course, these here are your manual levers to open the door. And we'll go out for a little drive. See, the car does have a backup camera. alignment check, and here I'll let go of the steering wheel. See, we're doing about 43 miles an hour. I'll let go of the steering wheel. I'm absolutely not touching it. We're still going straight down the road. Car has been aligned. There's nothing out of alignment whatsoever. And here I'll hit the brakes. You can see the didn't shudder. Brakes feel nice and good. No squeaks, no rattles. Car runs just like new. That's the traction control kicking in. We're up to 70. No, don't want to let go of the steering wheel too long at 70, but you can see it doesn't shimmy or anything like that. There you go. Letting go of it. Of course, we're doing about 55. We're still going straight down the road. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you.